What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shannon, and today I've got an unboxing for you of the Apple AirPods with charging case. We'll go ahead and take a look around the box. You can see it says Apple AirPods wireless charging case, and there's the back of the box. AirPods side with the Apple logo, information. Now let's see if we can get these open. It's coming. Come on. It's coming. Alright, and we'll have the paperwork, of course, designed by Apple in California. You know, you always get all that stuff with Apple products. AirPod paperwork, how to set it up and such, and more paperwork, and more paperwork. Get rid of that. And here is the AirPods themselves, if I can get them out of here. It's small. Look how small that is. Let's see if we can get these open here. Should just pull right open here. Okay, let's focus this in, camera. Alright. Obviously this is the wireless charging case, and this is the charger right here on the back. So basically you just set your AirPods down on your wireless charger and it would charge, and then you just open it to show the AirPods like that, and it's obviously got some juice in it. But anyways, that was a very quick unboxing of the AirPods with wireless charging case. If you enjoyed the video, as always, click that like button because it really helps me out. And feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out of here.